Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are great. And if you are an Amazon seller, I hope and pray that you are killing it with your sales. Now, I have been talking a long time in my YouTube channel about my business goals. And you already knew that my business goal is to achieve 7 lakhs in profit in October. And one of my goal is to achieve 7 lakhs in revenue in the month of October with a profit of 2 lakhs. And I am taking massive actions in order to achieve that goals. And also I have launched few new products. And almost 5 new products are on the line to be launched in October and the consequent month November. Yes, I am launching 3 new products in October and 2 more products in November. And as soon as I hit the 7 lakhs per month revenue goal with 2 lakhs profit, then I have to take some more actions, some more massive actions to achieve my next goal, which is 30 lakhs in revenue in a single month by the end of the year 2021. Previously, I made some mistakes with setting some very low goals for myself, but now I know few secrets and I know how massive actions can lead you to achieve great massive goals. Now, I have also launched a 8-week personal one-on-one coaching, which will be 8 weeks long, and I do not have any goal to make this as a revenue source for myself. So for achieving the goal that I set for myself for October, I have to understand few things. I have understood that during the sales, I have to get some extra eyeballs of my customers to my products. Because during the sales season, people are coming to Amazon with the sole purpose of buying intent. So I have also set almost 20 lightning deals all over the month of October. So what lightning deal does is, it adds a red colored box on the product, and when someone searches a keyword, then in the search results there are many products that come for that keyword that is searched. And if your product is on deal, lightning deal, then it will show a red color box that tells that limited deal, and it will catch extra attention of the customers that is searching for that keyword. Because if your product is only running the deal on that product, on your product, then they will see that it a red color box telling limited deal. And not only it adds a red box that tells limited deal, your product gets extra space, extra placement on the today's deal part of the Amazon web page. And trust me, during the sales period, there is a lot of traffic on that today's deal portion of Amazon, and your product will be visible on that portion of Amazon. So I am planning very big, not only to achieve the October's goal, but also to achieve 30 lakhs in revenue by the end of 2021 in a single month. And in order to achieve that 30 lakhs mark, I have to launch 2 products every month. So I will constantly upload videos in this YouTube channel, constantly updating you guys about my journey, what I am doing, what I am achieving, everything. And I will document every step of my journey in this YouTube channel, so that you guys can feel that how exactly the journey feels like. And if you wanted to learn about how to sell on Amazon FBA India, how to source your products from China, how to import, how to source from India, how to create your product listing, how to do the advanced keyword research, how to get reviews, what are the advanced ways to get reviews. I have also automation for reviews, automation for keyword ranking, all. And I have launched a 8-week personal one-on-one coaching where I cover all of this. And for that coaching, I have only 12 seats, so only 12 people are eligible to get access to this coaching. And I have already got a lot of applications for these 12 seats, and I'm processing them based on their answers, their actions they have taken regarding this business, and what are the goals. So this coaching session will be divided in 8 weeks, and each week will have 3 sessions, and each session will be around 2 to 3 hours long. And I will teach you step by step everything from A to Z, from legal setup to GST return filing to the product research, then keyword research, sourcing from China, sourcing from India, all import related details, then creating your listing, creating images, all basics of images, review automation, ranking automation, then launching your 2nd, 3rd, 4th products. I will cover everything in these coaching sessions. Not only that, I will also give access to my personal mobile number and WhatsApp number, and I will guide every 12 person in the group personally to launch their product, and I will make sure they launch a successful product. I will validate their product selections myself personally, and also I will suggest them bundle ideas myself personally, and they will also get access to my personal mobile number in case they came across any difficulties. So if you want to know more about this one-on-one coaching that will be 8 weeks long, then you can watch this full video here. तो मैं इस 8 वीक पर्सनल वन ऑन वन कोचिंग का स्ट्रक्चर बता देता हूं आप लोगों को कि क्या क्या इसमें इंक्लूडेड रहेगा। तो ये वन ऑन वन पर्सनल कोचिंग 8 वीक्स का रहेगा और ये होगा गूगल मीट पे। और एक वीक में टोटल 3 कोचिंग सेशंस रहेगा और एक एक कोचिंग सेशन लगभग 2 to 3 आवर्स रहेगा। एंड आउट ऑफ दिस 3 सेशंस 2 सेशंस रहेगा जिसमें मैं आप लोगों को स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिखाऊंगा और एक सेशन एक बोनस सेशन रहेगा जिसमें आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं कोई भी क्वेश्चन पिछले सेशंस के ऊपर, या फिर आप लोग मुझे प्रोडक्ट आइडियाज देंगे, मैं उसको वैलिडेट करूंगा लाइव, और कोई भी बंडलिंग आइडियाज, प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्शन, कुछ भी आप वहाँ पे हम लोग एनालाइज करेंगे। और मैं इस कोचिंग सेशन के लिए सिर्फ 10 से 12 लोगों को एनरोल करूंगा क्योंकि आई वांट टू मेक श्योर एवरी पर्सन इन दिस ग्रुप लॉन्चेस अ सक्सेसफुल प्रोडक्ट। और मेरा गोल ये कोचिंग से ये है कि जितना भी स्टूडेंट्स उस ग्रुप में रहेगा वो लोग 100% सक्सेस रेट अचीव करें। और सिर्फ इसीलिए मैं सिर्फ 10 से 12 लोगों को ही एनरोल करने का मौका दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अगर मैं ज्यादा लोगों को एनरोल करता हूँ तो मैं पूरी फोकस नहीं दे पाऊंगा उन सब पर्सन्स के ऊपर। तो मैं पूरा आप लोगों को गाइड करूंगा इस कोचिंग में, फ्रॉम द लीगल सेटअप ऑफ योर बिजनेस टू फाइंडिंग अ प्रोडक्ट, सोर्सिंग द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम चाइना, सोर्सिंग द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया, validating your product ideas, validating the bundle ideas, to launching your product successfully, managing your PPC campaigns, everything covered in this coaching session। और मैं ये भी गाइड करूंगा ताकि आप लोग एकदम सक्सेसफुली सही से आपका लॉन्च स्ट्रैटेजी इंप्लीमेंट कर पाए। और मैं आप लोगों को अपना PPC कैंपेन मैनेज करने के लिए भी गाइड करूंगा 1-on-1। एंड यू विल गेट फुल एक्सेस टू माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर एंड माई पर्सनल मोबाइल नंबर, ताकि अगर कोई भी डाउट आप लोगों का हो तो आप लोग इजीली मुझसे कॉन्टैक्ट में रह सकते हैं। और ये 10 से 12 लोगों को फुल एक्सेस मिलेगा मेरे इनर सर्कल का, जिसमें आई विल शेयर एवरी स्ट्रैटेजीज दैट आई विल वर्क ऑन एंड आई एम करेंटली वर्किंग ऑन। आई विल शेयर एवरी स्ट्रैटेजीज विद देम। तो ये पूरा A to Z कोचिंग होगा जिसमें मैं सब कुछ कवर करूंगा A to Z, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लीगल सेटअप ऑफ योर Amazon बिजनेस, द प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च, कीवर्ड रिसर्च, सोर्सिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया, ऑल इंपोर्ट रिलेटेड डिटेल्स, सोर्सिंग फ्रॉम चाइना, then creating a listing, images, all basics about images, then creating your listing, everything will be covered in this coaching. Launching your product, managing your PPC, all advanced strategies of ranking, then how to get reviews, all advanced automation for reviews and customer engagement, ManyChat automation, review automation, everything will be covered in this course. And I will be taking only a small group of people in this coaching just to make sure every person in this group gets attention fully from myself, so that they can launch their product successfully and I can achieve a 100% success rate. My sole reason of taking only 10 to 12 people in this group is just to make sure I guide them personally in every step of the journey and launching a successful product, so that they can achieve 100% success rate launching their products and make enough profit from starting. And I will be coaching only 10 to 12 people just to make sure that every person in this group gets full attention from me while launching their products. So I'll guide every 12 out of 12 people in this group, and I'll make sure they launch their product successfully and start making profit as soon as possible. So now let's talk about the eligibility. So I will not be pricing this coaching very high like most of the other personal coaching program does. So I will take only 10 to 12 people for this coaching, depending on their eagerness to start a business and their ability to take massive actions. So now let's talk about the pricing. So the whole one-on-one coaching plus my personal mentorship plus the access to my personal mobile number until launching your first product, plus my access to my WhatsApp number for lifetime, and access to the inner circle where I share all the strategies that I am working right now and I will be working in the future. And all this is just for 9,999 rupees, and I will be taking only 10 to 12 people in this group, and I will not be taking any more. You can buy digital courses which will be more expensive, and even the one I bought costed me around 28,000 rupees during 2018. And in digital course it becomes very hard to get access to the mentor itself and sharing your product details, discussing your launch strategies, discussing your PPC campaign strategies, why the product is not working, what strategy you should apply. That everything becomes very complex in case of digital course. So this coaching will be starting from October 2nd week, and you can email me if you are interested to enroll for this course. The email address will be here displayed in the screen. And once you email me, I will ask you a few questions and send you the payment details. And I will be announcing the exact dates after discussing with all of the members. Since it's a one-on-one personal coaching, so I will make sure your product selection is great and it's a winning product. So I will guide you in every step from A to Z. So email me on this email address before all the 12 seats gets filled up. So enroll fast if you are interested, and I will see you guys in the next video.